How to make chewy caramel recipe without condensed milk. I'm going to show you how to make chewy caramel without condensed milk. I know the recipes showing fast and easy caramels sometimes use condensed milk, but this recipe is a classic, so I'm ditching condensed milk this time. This how to make chewy caramel recipe without condensed milk is another family favorite. The original recipe from Grandma used to have corn syrup, given that it wasn't established back in the day how addictively unhealthy high fructose corn syrup is. But we agreed to tweak the classic a bit, and we were able to remake the classic without a drop of corn syrup. A few reminders in making caramel. Use a tall heavy-bottomed pot. Don't be intimidated by the bubbles. Don't let the nasty lumps stop you. Give your mixture full attention. Chewy caramel recipe. Classic mouth-watering, chewy caramel recipe without condensed milk and corn. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 20 to 30 minutes, resting time, 8 hours, total time, 8 hours 35 minutes max, yield, 40 to 50 caramel. Ingredients: 1½ cups heavy cream, 2 cups brown sugar, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 2 teaspoons. Instructions. Step 1: prepare all the ingredients before starting with anything. Place each of them in small bowls and should be within easy reach the moment you need them. Step 2: also prepare a baking sheet lined with greased parchment paper. I usually use cooking spray for this. Step 3: mix the cream, brown sugar, and salt in a tall heavy-bottomed pan. Step 4: bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. Step 5: put in the candy thermometer, continue stirring until the temperature reaches 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 6: remove the pan from the heat and quickly add in the vanilla extract. Stir until well combined. Step 7: immediately pour the mixture onto the lined baking sheet and spread evenly. Step 8: let the caramel rest for at least 8 hours. Step 9: using a grease knife, cut the caramels into your desired. Step 10: wrap each piece using the wax paper. Step 11: store in an airtight container at room temperature. Consume within 1 week.